Hey, what's up? Thanks for checking out this quick video. So today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest sleigh. One year my friend actually made one for me and she brought it to work, and I've been making them every year since then. Whenever I give these to coworkers, family, friends, it always leaves the biggest smile on the person's face that I actually give it to. So just a couple of tips before we go ahead and get started. Like with things like the ribbon, the bows, things like this, I normally buy a lot of it like 2 or 3 days after Christmas when it's like 75% off. Like this little pack of bows typically costs like 97 cents, but if you wait a few days after Christmas, you can get this stuff for like 25 cents a pack. And also, just for a little organization tip for my glue gun that I use in the video to make this, with my glue sticks, I keep them in here. This is just like a little jewelry box that I got from a little retail store. They were giving them out for free, like if you purchase jewelry from them or whatever. But yeah, I actually keep it in here. I'm always looking for ways to stay organized. When I need something, I want to be able to find it. So with the chocolate, I wasn't able to get that on sale. I typically buy this in bulk though, because I am making so many of the sleighs. So I do pay a little bit more for it because I am buying it in bulk, but at the same time, I actually get a lot more in comparison to me buying like a little small bag at a store. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this, and I'm gonna show you how to make something super special.
go.